Assalamualaikum and welcome. Hi, my name is Mariam Nabila bin Tamafuad. My student ID is 2022755659. In this presentation, I would like to present about ERP system that I choose, which is Apache Ofbiz. So Apache Ofbiz is an open source B2B software suite designed to automate supply chain management processes. It was developed by the Apache Software Foundation with input from volunteer contributors and users. The software provides a flexible framework for managing information about products, suppliers, services, and transportation methods designed to facilitate coordination between different product levels along the global supply chain. Apache Ofbiz has four features, which is product and catalog management, promotion and pricing management, supply chain fulfillment, contracts, payment, and billing. The Office developers collaborate with hundreds of businesses to create a flexible, scalable platform that can be adapted to meet the needs of any businesses in any industry. It has been designed to be simple to install and operate, yet robust enough to handle the processing power of even the most important data centers. Next is benefits. So these are the benefits of using Apache Office, which is it is completely free with zero upfront fees, and it is completely scalable, adaptable, and customizable open source ERP system. And it offers multiple features such as billing, invoicing, and vendor management. It is made and run by a group called Foundation, so this software is backed by a good and active community. Now I will proceed to demonstrate Apache Office interface. So as you can see here, this is Apache Office interface, and this is my company named Grande Tudong. And when you click the Grande Tudong button, it will show all the informations about my company. So next, let's move on to employees. Now, when you click the Show All Records button, it will show all the employees that have you created. So let's click it. Then you can see all the informations that have been created. And here you can also search an employee ID that you already created. For example, let's put in my data and click enter. And it will appear the party ID according what you input. You can also create a new employee by clicking new employee button here and fill in all the data. For example, and click save. And it will show all the data that you have created just now. So for new staff data, you need to enter the employments, enter the employee position, performance review, skills, qualification, recruitment, training of the employee. You can date which date and time you want to train the new employee, and employee applications, resume, leave, and lastly, global HR setting. So now let's move on to one of important modules in this interface, which is catalog. So this module is for you to categorize all the materials or product, whether it is raw materials, finishing goods, or work in progress from scratch until shipping process. So the first one is catalogs. In this example, I create a hijab company. So let's click button here and fill in your desired data. When you're done filling all your new product catalog details, you can click update. And you can fill in other details that required. So this is store of the catalogs, parties of the catalogs, and categories of the catalog. Hence, instead of search one by one catalog ID, you can fill in your desired catalog ID by simply fill in your product catalog ID and click find button. So now let's move on to categories. So categories is for you to fill the type of created catalogs. Uh, Previously I put bawal ahmara for catalog, right? So for categories, I will put the type of bawal ahmara that I want to sell. For example, fill in the product category description and so on. When you're done, click update. So as per before, you can fill in the content of the category, roll up of the category, product of the category, catalogs, features, parties, attributes, and links. You can also create product in category here, or you can simply click the product section here. So that's it for me. Thank you.